I have no words. There's no words to describe this box. Nope. Bad. Bad is a good word to describe this box. Hey! Yeah! Hey, happy Monday. Welcome back, everybody. Hope your weekend was awesome. I know mine was. Hello, pals. Thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. The SB stands for Sealy Booth from Bones, because I'm a huge Sealy Booth fan. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now, and also I have a website that's underneath that handle. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. You can find anything I pull out of this box on Friday for sale. Not now, but on Friday. And like other stuff from other boxes. You can look at them, or you could buy them, or you could do nothing.
Nice dolls, you dweeb.
Before we get into this whole thing, remember I'm doing a giveaway with good friend and great dog dad, Untied Hawaii, to give you a chance to win a pair of these. That is the Air Jordan SB collaboration on the Los Angeles to Chicago. We're giving you a chance to win a pair in size US 8 to US 14, mind you, for free. All you gotta do is go to this video right up here. That's Bryson's video. Click on that, watch that, and you'll find out how you can enter. It's as simple as pie. Actually, pie is really hard to make. I don't know if anyone bakes, but it's not very easy. But yeah, we're talking about pie instead of sneakers. It's a really professional YouTube channel. But hey, beater box time. Beater box day is usually Friday, but it's beater box time, which is kind of like beater box day.
What?
This is a beater box from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California. It has a members-only beater box program that is unfortunately closed, but awesome shop. Still check them out. SoleSupremacy.com and at Sole Supremacy on social media. This box next to me was $975 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Big shout out to the Bean. It's called the Bean locally. It's actually in Millennium Park. For a grand total of $1,015. Now, these boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good opportunity to make some money. If you follow along with Clarence, it's gonna let you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market. And then at the end of the video, we're gonna break it down to show you the entire value of the box versus how much I paid, because that's how things work. Anywho, got my knife, got my positive attitude. Let's open the box. This price range isn't normally what I go after, like the 500 to 800 is usually my bread and butter. But you know what? I like to live on the edge when it comes to beater boxes. I live a very boring life. All right, so this box is open. There are no loose oh, these look like all grade school shoes. Keep the positive attitude. Let's just open the box. Okay, so first shoe out is a size 6 youth Air Jordan 7 Retro GG. Yep, it's an Air Jordan 7. Is this the mulberry colorway? Yeah, okay, I think these are called mulberry. I think these are dead stock as well. Okay, I'm like 90% sure these are a dead stock pair. Not 100% sure, which is why I said 90%. Power through Mitchell. Yes, again, size 6.5 youth, right? 6 youth. It's a Jordan 7. The colorway is called Mulberry, I believe. This is what it says on the side. It's a grade school shoe. Grade school shoes are hard to move. This is why eBay exists. So there's your first shoe out. Size 6 youth Air Jordan 7 Mulberry. Another size 6 youth. This is an Air Jordan 13 Retro. At least I know these. These are worn. Yeah, these are worn. These are the playoff 13s. It's actually a really nice colorway. I'm not a huge fan of 13s myself. These look like they were tried on and worn a couple times, but I mean, you can see on the bottoms like no wear whatsoever. They probably just need a quick cleanup. All leather black upper, white pod midsole, whatever you call it. I mean, 13s, if you dig them, that's cool, but this is just not a great size, I would imagine. So 6 youth, Jordan 13 playoff is the next shoe out. Next one, 6.5 youth, Air Jordan 7. Dead stock at least. Well, these are dead stock. This is another 7. I don't know what this colorway is called. It kind of looks like Bordeaux's, but it's definitely not the Bordeaux colorway. I mean, they look dead stock. I'm gonna assume they're either tried on or dead stock or something like that. I don't really know, but it's a 7. It's a better looking colorway than the other one in my opinion, but yeah, there you go. Oh, it's really tough being positive about this box. I'm not gonna lie. Got a size 6 youth, Air Jordan 5 Retro OG. Okay, this actually isn't bad. This is the metallic colorway from 2016, I think. Nike Air on the heel. I mean, it's metallic 5s, but in a smaller size. It's got this is a dead stock pair too. I didn't know if I said that, but a little bit of discoloration on the cages. But the bottoms are definitely icy still. I can't imagine there's super lots of value because it is a kid's shoe. Jordan 5, metallic 2016. That's 4. There's tons of shoes in here at least, that's good. Another 6 youth. Air Jordan 12 Retro GG. These ones I actually know. These are called Hyper Jade. Yeah, these are dead stock too. Hyper Jade 12s. I think I had a pair of these before. They were new and they sold on StockX for like 65 bucks. So probably about 65 bucks in these too. Pretty clean colorway though. Not a huge fan of 12s. The upper is actually really nice low pile suede, which you don't really see as good of materials on grade school shoes, but them's the ropes. So size what, 6 youth? Air Jordan 12 Retro GG Hyper Jade, right? Another 6 youth, Air Jordan 4. That's good. This is a pair of Oreos. These are worn though. These look like they've been worn once or something like that. Super, super solid, simple colorway with the speckled midsole. Nothing looks to be cracked or chipped, which is nice. But as far as 4s go, this is as clean and simple as you can get. Jordan 4, Oreo, in a size 6 youth. Yep, this is bad. This is not good. Old Mitch ain't too happy right now. 6.5 youth, Air Jordan 11 Retro. That's good. Okay, this is a colorway I know, and this is actually a really, really desired colorway. These are called the Citrus 11 Lows. These are dead stock, so that's good. These still fetch a pretty price for a grade school shoe. I think retail was like $120. These go for over retail still. Just a really clean colorway. Simple Air Jordan 11 Retro, patent leather upper, but with the bright orange citrus on the outsole and on the Jordan Jumpman logo on the tongue. I would guess between 160 and 180 on value on these right now, but size 6.5 youth. Jordan 11 Retro Low GG in the citrus colorway. There's still 4 more in here, so that's cool. There's at least a lot of shoes in here. 6.5 youth, Air Jordan 13. This is the Air Jordan 13 Flint colorway. These are very lightly worn as well. It's a little bit older. You can see some of the discoloration on the pods here. Maybe, I don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up. This is a colorway that needs to retro in my opinion. They did the Flint Lows pretty recently, but this is probably, based on aesthetic alone, the best looking 13 in my opinion. Don't know about this size, don't know what kind of draw there is on youth Flints, but probably easy 9 out of 10 condition. All these are either dead stock or 9 out of 10, so that's good. We got a Nike red box, say size women's 9 Air Max 90 anniversary. Oh, these are cool. So these are the CORK Air Max 90s. This entire upper is made of cork board material, which is really cool. Are these dead stock? Yes. This is an unworn pair. This shoe is made of wild materials, as you can tell. It's a cork board upper, but it's the simple classic Air Max 90 infrared colorway, but just with a different upper. So there you go. Don't know what the market is. Don't know what the market is on these. Size women's 9, which equals out to a men's 7.5. CORK Air Max 90s. That's pretty cool. It's the first non-youth shoe we've gotten. Hey, something Adidas. And it's not a youth shoe. This is a size 8.5 ALPHAEDGE 4DM. Okay, I've never actually seen a pair of anything like this in hand before. This is the 4D ALPHAEDGE in the white colorway. This entire thing is 4D printed. Wow, this is really fun to touch this midsole. I mean, this is completely, water can go through here. It's actually really, really cool. It's a size 8.5, really clean colorway. I appreciate the innovation, but just not a fan. These are definitely going for under retail now, I would imagine. Probably going for about $280 now, I would imagine, but size 8.5 is an okay size. These are fun. If you ever get a pair of these, it's really hard to not do this to the shoe. But dead stock pair again, white 4D ALPHAEDGE. So, okay, that's not too bad. Hard to see why this box is $975. This might be good. It is an Air Jordan 1. Sometimes youth sizes of Air Jordan 1s go for a bit. This is 6.5 Air Jordan 1. Okay, these are the band ones from 2013. That's okay. Quality on these is definitely not as good as the 2016 release, but these are worn. A little bit of wear on the outsole, but it is the classic Air Jordan 1 in the band bread colorway. 2013 release, not as great of quality as I just said. You can see some creasing on the toe box there. I mean, there's a little bit of heel drag, no star loss or anything. These are a solid 8 out of 10 condition, so I don't know the value on these. I mean, it's still a kid's shoe, and it's a worn pair, so maybe 200, I don't really know. But, I mean, that's an okay way to end the box. So, 6.5 youth Jordan 1 bread band colorway. And that is a $975 beater box. Grade. That was rough. Let's give this box a grade. How are we gonna get that grade? Easy, through 3 categories: condition, sizes, and hype/value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
There's 11 pairs of shoes in this box, and 6 of them are dead stock, and the rest of them are easy 9 out of 10 condition. I can't really give this box a bad grade based on condition, and they all have boxes. Condition on this box will say an A-. Sizes, we have 6.5 youth, 6 youth, women's 9 or men's 7.5, 8.5, 6.5 youth, 6 youth, 6.5 youth, 6.5 youth, 6 youth, 6 youth, and 6 youth. F, the biggest F in the history of the world. Hype/value. This is a quantity over quality box. Doesn't really happen too often with Sole Supremacy, but I mean, there might be some decent value in here, but it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough to move these. Hype/value on this box, I gotta give it a D+. So with the grade of A- for condition, the grade of big ol' F for sizes, and the grade of D+ for hype/value, this mostly grade school $975 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of D.
Wow.
So I gave this box a letter grade of D. Am I being dramatic? I don't know. Let's find out.
Break down!
Good chance I'm being dramatic. You know what? I thought about it. Back to school is in like a couple months. Kids are gonna need shoes. I might have to hold a lot of this for a bit, but it could be good. But if we're going based on flip value immediately, this is a bad box. Kids' sizes just don't move as fast. I mean, in my experiences, if you have better experiences selling kids' shoes, please tell me down below what your secret is, because I can't figure it out. Remember, there's also a giveaway going on with Untied OI. You can see this video up here for your chance to be entered to win a pair of the Los Angeles to Chicago Air Jordan 1 SB collaboration in size US 8 to US 14. That goes on until Thursday at midnight, so we're gonna be picking the winner on Friday. That'll be fun. Lots more beater boxes, probably boxes that'll be way better than this one, so that's cool. If you like the video, you can there's no way you like this box, but if you like the video, you can hit the like button. If you're not subscribed and you wanna do that, hey, hit the subscribe button. You're allowed. If you dislike the video, please hit the dislike button. That's totally fine. That's how you shape your YouTube experience. Not much to say about this box, but I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks again. We'll see you soon. Till then, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated, because the golden rule is an excellent way to live. What accent was that? Okay, see you soon. Bye.